Shafin. I'm from MTSN Pati. In this video, I will tell you a powerful folktale from Central Java. A story about love, sacrifice, and bravery. So, let's step into the world of legend. This is the story of Demon Mask, the golden cucumber. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a kind old woman named Seni. She had everything except one thing, a child. Every night she prayed with tears in her eyes. Oh God, please give me a daughter. Even if she comes from a cucumber, I will love her with all my heart. One stormy night, a giant shadow moved through the forest. Hey, old woman, what are you doing in here? Who are you? It was Ijo, the terrifying green giant. What did you just say? You say you want a child? Yes, Ijo. I've been waiting for a long time. That's so easy. Just plan this it. A child will come. But when she turns 17, you must give her to me. Well, Cerny hesitated, but her heart was full of hope. I accept. The next morning, she planted the seed. Days passed as a giant golden cucumber grew. When it ripened, she opened it and found a beautiful baby girl inside. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. What should I name her? I will name her Demon Mask, my golden girl. Years passed. Demon Mask grew into a kind, strong, and clever young girl. But Cerny loves her more every day. But the promise still haunted her. As her 17th birthday approached, the sky dark, lightning flashed, the ground trembled. Boom, boom, boom! Hey, Demon Mask! You cannot hide! But Cerny fell to her knees. No, not yet, Ijo. Please, give me a time. Tomorrow, she is mine. Desperate, Cerny climbed a mountain to see a holy garden. The old man listened and gave her a small cutback. Inside are 4 sacred things: cucumber seeds, needles, and shrimp base. Give them to Demon Mask. They will protect her. The next morning, Demon Mask hugged her mother tightly. Mother, I'm scared. What if I fail? I still want to be in your sight though. Don't be my child. You are brave. God is with you. Then, Ijo returned. His steps made the earthquake. Hey, Demon Mask! Where are you? Where's the promise? Demon Mask ran into the forest. The giant chaser, crushing trees beneath his feet. Come back here! She reached into the bag and threw the cucumber plants. And suddenly, the beans and cucumber plants grew wildly wrapping around Buto Icho's legs.
What is this? You think rats can stop me?
Still, she kept running. She threw the needles, and a forest of sharp bamboo burst from the ground. Buto Icho howled in pain.
You will regret this!
She kept running. She threw the salt, and the earth turned into a white, stormy sea. Waves crashed, thunder roared.
You cannot escape!
He swam through the storm, and finally, with trembling hands, she threw the storm paste. And suddenly, boom! The earth cracked open. A giant bit of boiling mud swallowed Buto Icho whole.
Whoa, no! No!
The giant screamed as he vanished forever. Silence returned. The wind blew softly. Birds began to sing, and Timon Mas, of course, she was safe. She ran home to Mbok, who opened her arms wide.
Oh, my beautiful daughter, Timon Mas, I know you can do it.
And they lived happily ever after. So, friends, the moral value of this short story is this story teaches us that even the smallest person can defeat the greatest danger. With faith, courage, and intelligence, Timon Mas didn't give up. She ran, she hoped, and she believed. So should we. No matter what challenges come our way, believe and be brave. Thank you so much for your listening to my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.